in the sun. How bad is this gonna be? Happy Monday, guys. You are watching video 93, and today I am in the great city of Indialantic, Florida, and I'm standing out in front of the Commodore condominium complex. It's a lot of C's. But I'm out here today because up until now, or up until really October 15th, this condo behind me is just one of the several in our area that does not qualify for FHA financing. Now, everything is about to change. To provide a little bit of context about FHA buyers, now, these buyers make up about 20% of the buying population out there, and typically it's either going to be a first-time home buyer or someone that might not have 10, 20, or even higher percent of a down payment to be able to purchase a property. So FHA is a really great option for people that might not have the capital put down for a down payment, and some also have lower credit scores. Now, most people that utilize an FHA loan are in the bracket that I like to call the affordable housing range, and that's in Brevard County. That's between the $200,000 and $500,000 price point are the numbers that I use for that. So when searching amongst condos in the area, there are a ton, but unfortunately only 19% of them currently actually qualify for FHA financing. Now on October 15th, which is tomorrow, things are about to change dramatically. Now, I'm not a lender, full disclosure, but I did enough research about the new changes that HUD will be implementing. They have really been working with the National Association of Realtors to come to a really fair terms as far as what these FHA buyers are going to be able to qualify for. Really great timing for this guy to show up. Prior to the housing crisis in 2008, there used to be what was called something of OnSite Approval or on-the-spot approval, where lenders had the ability to go to a specific condo unit and approve it on a case-by-case basis. Now, that has since changed, and that doesn't really exist for FHA until October 15th. So at that point, the lender will have the ability or the power to approve a certain condo on a case-by-case basis, and they're going to be looking at certain things about the condo as a whole. So they want to be looking at strong financials. They want to see at least 10% in the reserves. They look at an owner occupancy ratio. They're going to look at how much commercial space is at the actual condo itself, and they will be making a determination to see if that FHA buyer does qualify for that property. Now, this is huge because this hasn't existed until, well, now, and so it's really going to open up a large pool of units. HUD is estimating anywhere between 20,000 to 60,000 units across the nation will become available for FHA buyers, which is huge because currently, when looking across the nation, only 6.5% of these condos are FHA eligible. So we're gonna be looking at a dramatic, drastic, huge change, and it's something very exciting and super awesome, and I wanted to share it with you guys. And since this is so new, there's going to be lots of growing pains when it comes to the approval process. But what it's going to do is open up a huge window of opportunity for new buyers in specific locations and being able to offer more affordable housing for these people. Now, most condos on the beach are a little bit pricier, but condos out of here in the mid 300s, which you might think that that's a lot, but when you're looking at the beach, that is a very affordable option where you can afford actually some great space and not live in a single family home that might be 50, 60 years old that needs a ton of work. So the FHA is really allowing certain types of buyers and giving them more options when it comes to being able to purchase maybe their first home. It could be elder persons that are downsizing or whatever the dynamic is. It's really going to be beneficial specifically for our county since we have such a large number of condos. So I hope you guys learned something from this video. I hope you appreciate it. Remember to always reference your lender at the end of the day. He or she or the company that you are using is going to be able to give you the more refined answers, and they're going to be the ones that are actually doing the legwork to ensure that the condo unit is approved. I'm just a guy that researches things and wants to share the good news with you. So thank you very much for watching. You know the drill. I'll see you next Monday. I can't believe this guy. I was in the middle of filming and he just rolls up, blocks my amazing view. But now you guys get to see a really cool waste management truck. Shout out to Waste Management. You guys are doing awesome things with all the recyclables in our area, and that was a very sincere shout out. I really think you guys are doing amazing things in the county. Okay, I'm done.